Assalamu Alaikum, guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm going to show you what to pack for Umrah month edition. But first, I'm going to say Labbaik Allah. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik La Sharika Laka Labbaik, Innal Hamda Wan Ni'mata Lak Wal Mulk La Sharika La. Okay, guys, first of all, I'm going to open my luggage and put in my ihrams. So, here and here. And now that's when I'm gonna. Okay, now I'm gonna put tasbih and there is and gel bag right here. Okay, guys, now I'm going to put the tasbih gel bag. Now let's close it. Clear this and close it. No, now we'll put this. This is a topi. Okay, now we'll put. And on top of that, I'm gonna put 2 tobes. But you can do any amount, but I'm gonna put 2. And I will close that. Now then, I'm gonna move on to my clothes. I will put some jeans and a hoodie and another hoodie and a sleeping suit that just sleep. And I'm gonna put another hoodie. Let me just set this up again. Okay, now I'm gonna put some pants. And now that's done with my clothes. Now I'm gonna move on with this. I'm gonna put some socks. And now I'm gonna. Now let me put the stops. Wait, let me find the stop. And now let me put this in. Okay, guys, now we're gonna move back right here. Okay, guys, so that's it for the video. But you should put how much clothes like you're staying for. But I packed my whole big luggage like this, and but you should like put how much you need. So like then you won't get. So then you get enough clothes for your stay. But guys, hope you have a good time and bye. Bye. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik La Sharika Laka Labbaik, Innal Hamda Wan Ni'mata Lak Wal Mulk La Sharika La. Bye. Bye.